Hello guys, what's going on? TechRoom UK here. So for today's video we're going to have a look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 4 cameras. We got a total of 5 cameras on this phone. 3 of them are on the back. So we got the main 50 megapixel sensor, optical zoom sensor, and another I think ultra wide sensor. On the main display we have under the screen camera, so you can't really see it, it's hidden, but you can only see it when you go to the camera app. It's right there, so they done a good job at hiding this. And on the front cover screen we got a 10 megapixel selfie camera that takes really sharp and crisp images. Let's open the camera app and I'm gonna show you guys what I like about this phone in terms of taking pictures or videos. So let's start with the selfie camera. The selfie camera is really easy to use. Right now I'm using the one under the display on the main screen. So it's got this mode that if another person is next to you, it will detect it and kind of zoom out so you can both fit, like so. So this is zoom in, zoom out for 2 persons. You will detect it automatically. If not, you can do that to do it manually. You can preview images while you're taking them. In order to do that, just press here in the corner, and now whichever picture you are taking, you can live preview it while using the camera. So that's really clever. I like it a lot. It's got 4 modes. It's got 3x4, 9x16, which is kind of vertical layout. We got 1x1, that's square, and we have 5x6, that's the whole size of the phone. It's also got this option with filters, so it can make your face look better, your eyes, your chin, everything. You can disable it or have it on. Also, it's got filters which you can pick from, so it's like a photo filter, so it applies a filter over the whole image, not only just your face. As you can see, you got many to choose from. And yeah, what I like the most about this is the fact that you can raise your hand or say cheese and it will take a picture. So let's raise the hand. Yeah, it will start a timer and it will take a picture. So you can leave your phone somewhere, have it like this and take a picture, and then you can go back to it. So yeah, that's really clever too. Now let's go to the main 50 megapixel camera and I'm gonna show you guys some tips and tricks there. So now let's do the main 50 megapixel sensor. This is what everyone is excited about. If you want to take advantage of the full 50 megapixels, you have to go here onto display size and select 50 megapixels. Also, if you want even crisper images, just press on this button right here and you just turn on detail enhancer and it will take sharper images. This 50 megapixel mode can do zoom up to 6, like so, and the normal zoom is 1. You got some presets right here, 2, 4, 6. It's really smooth to go through. And all the other modes, let's say 9x16, they can do up to 30 times zoom, just like so. And it can also zoom out to 0.6, that's ultra wide, like so. So it's kind of like seeing it with your own eyes. It's not there, but it's nearly there. And same again, you can preview the pictures you are taking while you are taking them if you press this corner button right here. Also, what I love is that you can take selfies using the camera while previewing it on the cover screen. So in order to do that, just press this last button right here on the top right side, and now you are taking selfies using the 50 megapixel camera while previewing it on the cover screen. So if you just raise your hand, it will start a timer and take a picture. So I think that's really clever. Again, they done a pretty good job at taking pictures and video with this camera. You got on video same, you can film with from 30 fps all the way to 60 fps 4K, and if you want even better than that, you got 24 fps at 8K, but that will consume a lot of storage, just bear in mind, but the quality will be way better. You also got super steady mode, so when you move your phone, you will try to keep it as steady as possible to take the best shot. And if you press on more, you got many other modes. I'm just gonna read them to you. You got pro video, single take, night, food, panorama, super slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, and director's view. Director's view is a new feature. If we click on it, we can see the subject in 3 different levels of zoom, and we can switch between them while we record. So we press record, and now you can quickly switch zoom levels, which can be helpful for some people. And same again, you can preview the video if you press on the preview button while you are taking them, and it's really helpful. With this camera right here, we got some augmented reality stuff that we can do. For example, we can measure the room, or we can doodle in the air. So again, on more, you'll have this option right here saying AR zone. And if we go to the option called quick measure, it says that it needs to show the surrounding first, so it has a better understanding where it is. And yeah, if you want to measure something, just point, press on the plus, drag, so it says it's got about 88 centimeters, but I'm a bit off. But yeah, it's pretty accurate. I like the fact that it can help you. Now it just measured by himself the dimensions of the carpet, so that's really clever. Another one will be AR doodle, so you can doodle. First you have to show surroundings to the phone, and now you can doodle something and it will stay there. For example, let's go on the marker and let's say subs. And now you have a permanent AR drawing in your room, which you can take a video or a photo, or you can take a photo while taking a video if you press this button right here. And yeah, these are some of my favorite features of the camera, and I hope you guys like this video. If you enjoy this kind of content and you want me to make more videos, please make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button. It will really help me a lot. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.